Hi, my name is Shannon, and I'm a design consultant at AyA Kitchens and Baths at the Mississauga location. Today we're in Woodbridge, Ontario at my latest renovation of an entire main level at this beautiful home. The reason why that my clients decided to renovate is because they were newlyweds and they bought their first home and they wanted to make it their own. The client decided to go for the Pacifica Oyster door because it was a very transitional door style. The oyster finish is the off-white finish, which is timeless and it can go with any decor. Some of the features that my client wanted to include was a recycling center, a farmhouse sink, glass cabinets, and a beautiful transitional canopy. For the entertainment center, we provided the bookcase as well as the mantle. The lower half of the bookcases, we did a routed out door with wire mesh. The wire mesh is a great functional aesthetic because we're still able to access the consoles. In the laundry room, it was a very narrow, tall space, so we tried to maximize the storage as well as add additional features for it to function well. Working with these clients was such a pleasure. We were really in sync with our ideas and we were able to create the space on time and on budget.